Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, September 17th, 2021, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Uh, the Dow took another dive today. Nothing serious, but down 166 points. But I did see something about the Dow has actually had two consecutive down weeks in a row, and they're starting to call it slumping September, which is kind of a joke since it hasn't slumped at all in months. But they're even talking about recession looming, and I can't believe that two down weeks in a row should precipitate that kind of talk. But personally, I almost like the idea from our perspective. We've been slumping since the end of February, and we've gone through six consecutive rising months when the Dow and the other indexes have gone up, and we've just been getting killed. So that rising market hasn't done anything for us, and I personally am of the opinion that nothing would be better for us than a stock market crash right now, because that would be the one thing that would get the hedge fund managers off our back, and they would stop shorting everything if stocks really fell in price. Then they may start buying things again. But we're not doing any good at all in a rising market because they just keep shorting the tops, and we can't get any decent breakouts. That's just my thoughts on it. But anyway, I don't consider two down weeks in a row in September necessarily makes slumping September, and I think it's premature to be talking about a recession, but we'll just see. But honestly, I hope the damn thing crashes, just from for our selfish interests. Anyway, we had another crappy day. We had, I think, 9 positions coming in. We were negative about $8,000 on the close yesterday, and we closed out just about that 8,100 negative and closed out trades. So things got neither better nor worse from where they were yesterday for us. We got into 8 new positions, 5 positive, 3 negative, and we're carrying a whopping positive $1,700 in open trade equity over the weekend. And if I didn't mention, the Dow was down 166 points. So, yeah, another losing day. That seems to be what keeps happening to us. I'll show just to because I have nothing better to do. I'll show you two of our good stocks. How about that? Ahead of the weekend. This first one is RKLY, which is Rockley Photonics. Rockley Photonics Holdings. And we bought this yesterday right out of the gate. Went way up there, looked like it was fabulous, and then it came back. And I just thought, yeah, here we go again. But it did pop up some this morning for our exit. So we ended up actually taking $5,000 out of Rockley Photonics Holdings. So that looks real good. And then it moved quite a bit higher, and I thought, yeah, it's too bad we couldn't have held it. And then look at this at the end of the day. So it's kind of like, I don't know what this thing is doing, but I was happy that we got out of it where we did and we did take $5,000 out of that stock. And then the other one, this we got into today. This is Synaptogenics. It's pharmaceuticals, okay? And Synaptogenics, we bought that the second hour, and it really took off, closing near its high. You know, I mean, that looks like a real good trade so far. And we're up $3,400 in Synaptogenics. So maybe something will come through on Monday. But the way things are going, I'd say, yeah, probably not. But that's all we can do is hope. Hey, you guys have a great weekend. I'm out of here. I'll be back here on Monday.